Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change buy button color in your Shopify store. It is very easy. First of all, just click on your online store and right here you will see your theme. Currently I'm using this one. So for that, just click on customize in order to change the buy button color, and after clicking on customize, here you will see your store. So let me just go to this product so that I can show you. I want to change the buy button color. So currently this is the default color I have and which I want to change. So this is solid black color, and in order to change that we need to click on this gear icon, and right here we have color section. So just expand it, and right here you will see couple of schemes, and most probably scheme 1 is the one where we can change the buy button color. So this is solid black background. So here we need to look for that. Like here you can see solid button background. So this is the one which we need to change. I want red background, so for that I can just select it from here. Okay, this is looking good, or I can just choose green also. Let me choose the green. So this is good, I'll just choose that. And also we need to change the buy it now text color. So it is in white, so this is solid button label. This is the one which we need to change in order to change the text color. So I want to choose black, so I'll just select black from here. And yeah, there you go, we have successfully changed buy button color. So you can just save these changes from here. Now if I go to my store and choose any product from here, let's suppose I open this one, you can see buy button color is successfully changed, and that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.